Excuses makes today easy, but tomorrow harder. Excuses makes today easy, but tomorrow harder. Discipline makes today hard, but tomorrow easier. Discipline makes today hard, but tomorrow easier. A disciplined mind leads to happiness, while an undisciplined mind leads to suffering. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Legal World. Myself Dr. Seema Goyal, and today we will discuss in this video about the another difference, that is difference between the tort and breach of contract. If we talk about the difference between these two, tort and breach of contract, there are certain bases on the basis of which we can differentiate between these two. And the first basis is fixation of duty. In cases of tort, duty is primarily fixed by law. जिसका ब्रीच हुआ है मीन्स ऐसी ड्यूटी जो कानून के द्वारा हमें दी गई है और आपने उसका ब्रीच किया है, देयर इज वायलेशन ऑफ लीगल राइट्स ऑफ ए पर्सन. while in cases of contract, duty is fixed by the parties themselves. Contracting parties जिनके बीच में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुआ है उनके द्वारा ड्यूटी फिक्स की जा रही है आपस में. while in cases of tort, on the basis of attribution of duty, in tort, duty is towards every person generally. Duty is towards society, that is right in rem. That comes under the category of right in rem. While in cases of contract, breach of contract, it comes under the category of right in personam. Personam means it is the breach of rights of a particular person only. In cases, in the basis of violation of rights, tort is the violation of right in rem, while the contract is violation of right in personam. On the basis of need of priority, in cases of tort, in an action for tort, no priority is needed, no priority is required to be proved. While in cases of contract, breach of contract, priority is the parties between the party, मतलब parties to the contract must be proved. कि जिनके बीच में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुआ हमें प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि यही पार्टी हैं जिसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुआ था. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मोटिव, इन केसेस ऑफ टोर्ट, जनरली मोटिव कैन बी टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन. व्हाइल इन केसेस ऑफ ब्रीच ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, मोटिव इज नॉट रेलिवेंट. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ damages may be nominal as well as exemplary in cases of tort. In cases of tort, there are unliquidated damages. Unliquidated damages means जिनका आप निर्धारण नहीं कर सकते, which cannot be predetermined. While in cases of breach of contract, damages are liquidated. Liquidated means जिनका आप निर्धारण कर सकते हैं. इन केस ऑफ ब्रीच ऑफ वायलेशन, वी नोज हाउ मच ऑफ कंपनसेशन शुड बी अवॉर्डेड. फॉर एग्जांपल, ए ने बी के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया और उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को पूरा ना करने की वजह से बी को कितने रुपए का नुकसान हुआ, वी कैन कैलकुलेट दैट अमाउंट. दैट इज लिक्विडेटेड डैमेजेस. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सूट बाय द थर्ड पार्टी, इन केसेस ऑफ टोर्ट, अ थर्ड पार्टी कैन file the suit for tort. While in cases of breach of contract, third party cannot file a suit except in certain cases. On the basis of intention, intention is sometimes taken into consideration in the cases of tort. Intention ली जा सकती है, देखी जा सकती है कि whether the tort feature has acted with malified intention or not. But in cases of contract, intention is no relevance. Intention कोई मायने नहीं रखती, बस इतना ही है कि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का वायलेशन हुआ है. On the basis of concern, law of tort is concerned with the losses only, while breach of contract is concerned with the promises. In cases of tort, period of limitation runs to begins when the damages occurs, while in cases of breach of contract, limitation commences from the period of obligation takes place between the parties. And these are the differences between these two, tort and breach of contract, अकृत्य एवं संविदा भंग। इन दोनों में ये डिफरेंस हो सकता है। यदि हम बात करें सिमिलरिटी की, बोथ आर द टाइप्स ऑफ सिविल रॉन्ग। यदि हम बात करें टोर्ट या ब्रीच ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की, दोनों के दोनों सिविल रॉन्ग है, एंड सूट विल बी फाइल्ड इन द सिविल कोर्ट इन बोथ द केसेस, वेदर इट मे बी ए ब्रीच ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और इट मे बी ए ब्रीच ऑफ टोर्ट। दोनों केसेस में ही मुकदमा सिविल कोर्ट में ही जाएगा। बोथ आर द सिविल रॉन्ग, and that is the similarity between these two. If we talk about tort, it is uncodified law. There is no section in tort. It is on the basis of judicial decisions. While the breach of contract, in cases of breach of contract, there is a codified law, Indian Contract Act. It is a codified law where the sections are required, section दिए गए हैं. This means it is a codified law. So these are the certain differences between these two terms, tort and breach of contract. So we have done this topic. If you have any doubt, put down in the comment box. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.